Let's make chocolate zucchini bread. Welcome to Delicious by Dara. Subscribe if you love delicious food. All the ingredients you need are on screen, but also listed in the description below this video. Let's start with 15 pitted dates, 1 courgette or zucchini, a half a cup of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use essence if you prefer. Here I was using the KitchenAid stand mixer just to try it out. Add 4 eggs. This is the Artisan model. I recommend starting at a low speed to avoid splashing and build up to a higher speed. One thing it didn't have is a blade, so I stuck it into a food processor. Quick mix there to break up the courgette. Then back to the mixer. Add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, baking soda and a pinch of sea salt. Mix that up really well. Scrape down the sides anytime you need to. Transfer that batter into a greased or lined loaf tin. Bake that at 190 degrees Celsius, which is about 375 Fahrenheit, for approximately 40 minutes. Check the description below for some details on that. Cool it, slice it, eat it, enjoy it! So the Artisan stand mixer was really sturdy, it did well except for the blade issue. Would recommend it if the stand mixer is something you want to get. I have a link down in the description. Don't forget to like the video, and here's some other videos on screen now that you may enjoy. Join me for the next video.